Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the different staining techniques which are used for the identification of bacteria. We will study about the three basic staining techniques, that is simple staining, gram staining and acid fast staining. So before studying about the various techniques, we should know how smear is prepared. Now what is a smear? It is a sample of microorganism which we are going to be observed under microscope. Now this is the method for smear preparation. First of all, we will take a glass slide, wash it with hot soap water, dry the slide over the flame, then we will place a drop of water over the slide and mount the microbial sample to be identified on the slide. Then we will heat fix the slide. Now what is heat fixing? Heat fixing is just a technique, or we move the slide over the flame just to reduce the microbial motility of the bacteria so that we can easily identify the microbes. First of all, we will discuss about the simple staining technique. This is a procedure of the simple staining technique. Simple staining technique, for this we will first of all prepare a smear, then flood the slide with basic dye. We can use crystal violet or we can also use methylene blue. Then keep the dye over the slide for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will drain off the extra dye, and we will observe purple color gram-positive bacteria will be observed under the slide. They may be of various shape, they may be of rod shape, round shape or irregular shape. Now what is the principle behind this technique? We all know that the cytoplasm of bacteria, it contains various acidic components like proteins and polysaccharides, and when we will stain this slide with this basic dyes, what the cytoplasm bacteria will do, it will retain that basic dye easily because of the presence of acidic components. So the components, they can be easily stained. Next is the gram staining technique. This technique is named after the name of the scientist, that is Christian Gram. Christian Gram was a scientist who discovered this technique in 1884. This technique, it is also known as differential staining technique, which is because it is used to differentiate between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Now this is the procedure for the gram staining technique. First of all, in this technique also, we will prepare the smear. Then we will flood the slide with crystal violet and keep this crystal violet for 1 minute over the slide. We will drain off the extra dye. Next step is we will flood the slide with grams iodine. Keep it for 1 minute over the slide. Then again we will drain off the extra gram iodine. Then we will wash the slide with alcohol. And next step is we will counter stain the slide with saffron. Then we will observe under microscope. Some red colored bacteria and some purple colored bacteria will be observed. The purple colored bacteria, these are gram positive bacteria, and the red colored bacteria, these are gram negative bacteria. Now what is the principle behind this technique? Gram positive bacteria, they are having a very thick peptidoglycan layer. So they easily retain the crystal violet and iodine complex which is formed. Gram negative bacteria, they are having a very thin cell wall, and gram negative bacteria, moreover, they also contain very high lipid content. When we wash the slide with alcohol, what happens? The lipid content, the gram negative bacteria, they lose the lipid content, and after that they will retain this counter stain, that is saffron. And gram positive bacteria, they will retain this crystal violet and iodine complex and appear blue in color, while gram negative bacteria, they will retain the color of the saffron and appear pink in color. Next technique is the acid fast staining technique. This technique is used to identify mainly the Mycobacterium species, mainly Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is the procedure for the acid fast staining. First of all, for this we will prepare the smear, and then we will flood the slide with cardboard fast sheet. Then we will heat the slide over water bath for 4 minutes, and then we will wash the slide with alcohol plus acid mixture. And the last step is we will counter stain the slide with methylene blue. At the end, we will observe red color bacilli of Mycobacterium. Now what is the principle behind this technique? Mycobacterium species, they contain a waxy lipid coat around their cell wall. And this lipid coat, it does not allow the cardboard fustian to move out while washing with alcohol plus acid mixture. while other bacteria they lose this carbol fustian upon washing with alcohol and acid fast mixture. And basically this technique is used for staining of acid fast bacteria. So the red color bacilli, we can easily observe red color bacilli are observed after this staining technique.